Hi, this is Diana. This is enhancement 2. I'm gonna show you how to do the SQL code here in PHP So I have my tables, clients, inventory, and category. So first I have to create a new table here at enhancement, insert don't start in, and all that. So I have my code here because I did it yesterday. So this will insert all these values with these columns. Then refresh. Oh, what? Mistake. Client first name, client last name, client email, client password. Oh, here, yeah, not this one. Then go. And as you can see, I have the new don't start. Then the second hand one is change the level to level 3. Okay. This is SQL. Sorry for this. Okay. These were easy, but the others one were a little bit harder. Okay, so what you see, the climb level is 3, and now it says this one was a tricky one. I have to read a lot of things. Okay, modify the nylon rope to climbing rope. So you go to inventory, you can see it's nylon rope. So let's go to here. Update inventory set if name replace. I'm going to replace this for this, and also I use the link that the instructor provide because I type all this, but then I just change nylon and it will replace it by climbing. And same thing as this, it's just everything is repeated. Bingo. You see, climbing. The other one is the inner join. We're gonna join the infill and the category field. This also was difficult for me. Here you're gonna add like I don't know how you call it, but like a nickname, something like that. Was explaining my teammate, so that way it save it under that nickname. Sorry. So it's gonna save the information here in the in and then the information here in the cn. Then it's gonna join that. Okay, what is the error? Oh yeah, I know the error. What is it? Category. Inventory. Zero. What? What about this? Hi, for some reason, I could do it, but I didn't record it. So yeah, I just have to modify some names like this, but it was almost the same thing. Okay, let's go to 5. Delete this one. So let's go to my code. Okay. So was an inventory. So we're gonna delete in the inventory the word that is this. This one is easy too. Then okay. Then I delete it. Okay. And also if I were to delete the name Tony client. If I were to delete Tony Stark, I could do that by pressing the same thing. Delete from clients. Where el content we write all that the no need something. Now the card, and then if you press go, it will ask if you are sure to delete that. Now I want to show you the second part of the enhancement. Okay. Build a database connection file on the error page. This one was easy because I just have to follow the video. So I didn't do anything spectacular. So just copy and I just copy from the video, stop the video, and then just copy. And then okay, so when I run this, so nothing happened. But when I type this, and then I modify the word agree. If I run this, an error page will appear. That's it. I think that's all what is required. Yeah. So thank you.